Hey everyone, hope you're finding the work okay, and if you've any problems, I meant to say that yesterday, please just let me know and we'll try and sort them out. Okay, the very first one is equivalent fractions. So what you have to think about is how you're going to get it from thirds to sixths first. So what we do is whatever we do in the bottom, we do in the top. So how do you change 3 to 6? You multiply it by 2. So if you multiply that by 2, you have to multiply this by 2. That gives you 4. Now, think of how do you get 3 to 9? What you have to do to multiply by 3. So whatever you do at the bottom, you have to do at the top. Okay, so you're going to do 2 multiplied by 3. So what would that give you? Okay, which instrument would you use to measure the weight of flour between 100 and 1000 grams? Would it be a kitchen scales or a bathroom scales? I wonder. Now, this is like yesterday, we had the 0.7 one. So 0.8 plus 2. It's 2 units. So the 2 has to go there. So that's how you add that one up. What's that? An irregular what shape? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what shape has 6 sides? That shall be fine. Your time by now, you should be wizards at it. If not, it's okay. We're going to keep going over it, so don't worry. 0.5 is 5/10. I'm just going to give you that one. What 2D shape would you see after it's cut? So we cut that right down there. What would you see? Choose the ones you know. What's 20 multiplied by 5? Well, what is 2 multiplied by 5 is 10. Okay, so what would 20 multiplied by 5? 10. 2 multiplied by 5 is 10, yeah. So 20 multiplied by 5 would be 100. Because you think about 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. What's that shape? Is a half bigger than a fifth. That should be fine. €1.50 times 5. Do it out in your rough work if you need to. We've done multiplication before. €1.50 multiplied by 5. You work it out. Decimal points under decimal points. So 0 multiplied by 5 is 0. 5 multiplied by 5 is 25. And down by, but not by 2. 5 multiplied by 1 is 5 plus 2 is 7. And don't forget your euro sign. €7.50. I should have had a euro sign up there. So. What is the chance of landing on a single digit? So how many single digits are there? There's only 1. So work that one out there. And then the last one's what's 1/5 of a metre? So if 100 centimetres equals a metre, what's 1/5 of that? Our maths today is question 3 and 4 on the same page we did yesterday. With all the writing in from the last day. So question 3 is you have to put them in order of the earliest time to the latest time. So if you look at all the times there, and even if you want to put them all into one go, like 7 minutes past 3 is 3.27. I lost the end of my 2. And then 19 minutes to 4 is 3. Now think about that if you're stuck. So what would 20 minutes to 4 be? It will be 3:40. So you're going to put one more onto that, so 3:41. So what's the boy's name? So which is the earliest one of all those? It's 3:09, so that's L. So you're just going to write a name for question 3. And question 4, there's a 12-minute gap between starting times for each cyclist. Complete the grid. So the first cyclist went at 11:43. So add on 12 minutes would still be 11. Add on 12 would be 55, and so on. And then you have to write an analog time as well. English, Gaeilge today. No, English, sorry, first. Again, you're going over the poem, Please, Mrs. Butler. And we're going to do our word work. So C and D in your book. You just write it in your book. And then E in your portfolio. So you can type sentences, or if you want to write them and send me a photo, either or works perfectly for me. I'm Shirkata then today it's a look back on it. We've done these already. If you're stuck, go back on what we sent last week and the week before. Anything to do with our Shirkata. And then, so tá an couple bon ag gethe sa fork. So you're just putting in an A in everyone. You just have to make sure it's the A or the A father. So you have a 50-50 chance of getting it right. There's no reason people cannot do this because you have 50-50 chance. You just have to give it your best shot. And then continuing on with our SCSE Italy, you're going to read page 58 and 59. Then you're going to answer 1 to 5A, all those 5 questions, and you choose between question 1 or 2 in your copy on B. And there's a link there to some more information on Italy, which